We are an insurance company who only has one product, dental insurance. So our goal is actually simply to help people finance and fund and ensure that they always have the right amount of money to pay for the right dental treatment. When we receive invoices from the dentist, that while the customer is going down the stairs from the dentist, he receives his refund right away. We are there. So they pay at the dentist for the full invoice. The dentist ships the invoice to our system, and then it's handled automatically, and they receive a confirmation and a full refund right away. So that is what we do. And we have basically built our business from the beginning on a high level of technology usage. Because the thing is, in Denmark, we are 5 million people, and there is 14 million treatments per year. So it's a high volume game. And we see people and we see the invoices, a lot of claims. So from the beginning, it has been a goal to automate or to make everything as automatic as possible when it comes to claims handling. I could see that the technology started to be advanced within the OCR area, and we could see that we needed to investigate it. So I have had a lot of small projects running, testing Russian software and from Czechoslovakia and from Sweden, all kind of different technologies who claimed that they could read invoices or whatever and make it digitalized. The problem was that nobody really could. Everybody could if it was a flat PDF, but if the picture was taken from a strange angle, which people do when they need to upload to our system, then suddenly nobody could really solve it. And so by coincidence, I met DocDigitizer, who claimed the same, that they could do it. And we put up a test, and they could actually do it at a very high level of satisfaction. I met Laura, and there was a quick response from the beginning, and I was surprised about the speediness and the language skills, I have to admit also, because I didn't expect that, but so that made it as a potential good partner, and we started out by testing, and after a few rounds, we got it built into a test environment so it could fulfill we have some harsh requirements about production and test environments and different environments that DocDigitizer at that point didn't have. But you were very fixed to accommodate our needs and ensure that we could actually build a real test environment so we could test it real life. And so we started and did the project, and we could see that our volumes were going up also, and it made a huge difference for us to suddenly receive things digitalized, because it meant that I could continue my automatization and my rules building within our core system. So actually what today we have two channels for receiving invoices. One is directly from the dentist systems into our system, where it's also, of course, it's digitalized. And the other one is if people forget to use the dentist system, or if they don't connect to our system, then they can upload it directly, and then it's being sent to DocDigitizer, who on average, I think after 24 hours, push it back to us in a readable format. And those things that cannot be read will pop up for manual handling in our system. Between 200 and 250 hours manpower, clean, without anything we save per month by doing it this way. Again, it's not that interesting to sit and tap in an invoice into a system if you can get it either handled automatically, or you can just review it and see that everything is fine and push it through. So you can say we are actually taking out some of the more stupid work areas of our business and automate it and then put people to work with better and more interesting stuff. The next area we will start to work with you guys on is on Sweden and Norway, where we have started business. And there the challenge with OCR will be different, because in Denmark, at least, we have maybe 3 or 5 different type of invoices. But it looks like in Sweden and Norway, they have more or less 1 invoice per clinic. So things are very individualized there compared to here in Denmark, where it's very standardized. But we are building, and when we see the volumes are going up, we will start to investigate and test and see how we can improve it there too. Because there we have already asked people from day one to upload the invoices to us.